Yo, welcome back. It's your boy Mondo. So guys, if you guys are new to our channel, go subscribe to us right now, and I promise you guys will make you guys laugh, happy. And before we start, guys, hopefully you guys have a lot of positivities, you guys, today, tomorrow, yesterday, and hopefully you guys having a great time, guys. And every time is the best time, you know, of you guys. So as you guys can know, what's under the title, guys? We're gonna prank Moni. Hey, so I'm excited, nervous. I just got out of work, so see what I do for you guys. Maybe I should just quit my job for sure. But I love being with you guys, so just love being with you guys, making you smile. And honestly, Moni just takes back. So watch, I'm gonna tell you guys something. Moni's at work, she gets off at 5, guys. So we're gonna prank her with a honking prank, you know. So right now I'm gonna go to the store down the street, 3 blocks away from the house, and get a big paper, write, what should we write? Honk 3 times for wishes, something like that. Comment down below, what are we gonna do? What should we do, huh? Should we write? But anyways, I text Moni just in case to not make it, you know, oh, what are you doing, blah blah. But I told her, babe, after you get out from work, can we go to the bank, and after that can we go to Walmart and get some stuff for the house, because we need things for the house. And she just texted back saying, okay baby. So let's get to it, no? Smash that like button, guys, so we're gonna get Moni back. Even if it's 1 like, guys, we'll appreciate everything we love from you guys. 1 like, 2 likes, that's all I need, guys. And if you guys want to smash that like button so many times, I will appreciate it, from us to you guys. And let's get to it, guys. I'm at the house now. So what are we gonna do is, sorry I couldn't be with you guys at the store. I did get a little bit clip, but I just didn't want to, you know, I have copyrighted music and stuff. But I did get the stuff, guys. So check it out, guys. So what are we gonna do is honk 4 times. What do you guys think? 4 times, 3 times? So honk 3 times for good luck. For good luck to you guys. Why? Because we want good luck for you guys for 2020. Nothing to happen to you guys, and just have a great things happen to you guys for the next days, couple years later on. You know, wishes do come true, guys, if you guys work for it. So guys, let's get to it. Guys, always drink a gallon of water a day. Remember that. But guys, what time is it? 10 more minutes and Moni gets out. Oh! We got it. Sorry for my messy writing. I just have to look. I have to do it fast. Money gets out in like 7 minutes. Like, so you guys won't be lying to me. I mean, right there. I'm not lying. 7 minutes, she gets out. Let's get this. What? What? That's a deformed circle. Oh well. Let's get it. So, right now, we're gonna take... Hold up, guys. Let me just open the garage. So right now, we're gonna take my car, and then I'm gonna just say, babe, I forgot something at the house, or I forgot you have, you know. So right now, guys, we're gonna go in the garage and put this in her car, because when I got here, I picked her up, we dropped her car back here, and she was lazy to drive. So that's what you get, Moni, for not driving back home from work. So right now, nervous. So her car, oops, sorry guys, it's so dark in here. Ready, 1, 2, surprise! So we're gonna put this in here. Oh man, let's see. Oh, let's put this camera in the latcher. Let's see. So guys, we're probably gonna tell her, oh babe, I forgot something at the house. Let's take your car. I think you need gas for tomorrow work and I work. So let's go. So guys, we're back now. So I'm so nervous. Why? There's 2 things why. Because one reason is Moni doesn't have her license still, and 2, I'm scared of a cop stops us because we are not showing no license plate, and her car doesn't have no license plate in the front. So you guys know the laws. I'm panicking. I'm actually sweating though. And guys, ooh, I like that. Ooh, okay, Mondo. Oh, but guys, check this out, guys. Oh my god, babe, I love you so much. Let's get to this prank and smash that like button, guys, right now. Are we gonna get Moni? If she's gonna get mad, comment anything you guys want. See what she was gonna say, if she was gonna get mad, or what's the next prank you guys want me to do. And come on, guys, follow us on social media. The link is down below. And let's get it. Yo, so she's back, guys. She went inside the room. She's using the restroom, so I'm just gonna act normal. Like we're gonna vlog like normal. Yo, welcome back. It's your boy
Mondo. Oh my god. What's your boy? You're supposed to say your name.
It's your boy Mondo and
Money. What the heck? What you're supposed to say?
So guys, right now we're just gonna vlog, and we're gonna go to the store. I'm gonna go to the bank. We're gonna go to Walmart, get some things that we need for the house and stuff like that, you know. So you know, as you can see, Moni just got out of work. Yeah. So guys, let's continue. Oh, there's a case. Wait, one more. Oh,
You have the house keys, right?
yeah. So remember how last time Moni the video. Hopefully we don't crash or anything. Relax, drive slow. We just
I'm not even driving fast. I'm not even going 20 yet.
20. And it's crazy how it gets so dark now.
Oh, I went to the light over there.
Light. What? You forgot to take out your tag, bro.
It's my name tag.
Hey, your name tag.
You said a tag.
What are you
A
talking about?
badge.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Go.
Thought that we're gonna go straight. Oh, whoa. But guys, this semi-photo is taking forever. That baker some chips. Some mosquitoes. What?
That's not me.
Damn, guys.
I'm not even crossing the.
Sorry. Cross everything off, guys. So. Damn, those lights are so bright.
You put something in the back of my car, huh?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, you did.
Seen what?
There was a thing that was flying in the camera thing.
Flying? Where the heck is flying? Where? Oh! Damn! You scared me, dude. So we just got out of Walmart, guys. We got some munchies. Well, money did.
Hey,
I was
you
scared.
did too.
I was craving some.
Did you open my chip?
Yeah. Hey!
What the fuck? Why are people honking? No, this is getting so annoying. 3 cars at least have already honked. Why?
I have no idea. Maybe you're.
I'm not driving
Ah.
retarded. Oh wait, I'm going down.
Look, see? Yeah, that's why.
No.
They probably know you.
No.
What if it's one of our fans, bitch?
They don't even know what car we drive.
No.
Dude, what?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I should. Another one. What? Are you serious? People nowadays just want to honk, dude.
I know, I'm driving good, look.
I want water. What? Oh! What the? You seen that? What?
Dude, why are people honking?
I don't know. Whoa, relax.
Well, I don't know why people are honking. It's kind of scary. Like, do I have something or what?
Because you need to work early before me. What the?
What the? Dude! Man!
Hey! Whoa, he just took the red light! Oh, the ew! Oh my god, he just took the red light.
You need to go or what? Guys, I'm still wondering why all these cars are honking!
I don't know. Relax, relax.
I'm relaxing, right?
What?
Heck, you see? I'm literally stopped and all these people are honking. I'm not even driving back. Oh my god, look at that. All that smoke there. We were going to get your stupid cartas off, right?
Wow, dude, what made you mad?
You're stinking carne asada fries. Because everybody's honking.
Whose fault is it? Not me.
Yours.
How?
Because you don't check the car before you leave somewhere.
Oh, all of a sudden, do you check it?
Yes.
No, you don't. Do you go?
Yes.
You turn the. You go all around and check every little detail.
Yes. Guys, he looks like a lonely, lonely, lost child. But he's pumping gas. And then we'll finally go get something to eat and go back home and go to sleep. Guys, I'm so tired. Do I take a stay or send
So we just got our food, guys. Where's it at?
So excited to eat some yum.
Excited. For you though, you're such an excited girl to eat.
I love my food.
Honestly.
Work.
Yeah. I have to.
What the heck? Dude, why again? I hadn't going and I'm literally parked every time. Dude, watch, right now I'm gonna pull over right here.
Just might as well we're almost on. Just go.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know.
Come on, can you answer my question? Why do they honk at me?
What do you want me to?
Am I driving bad?
Honestly, yes, you are.
Why?
Huh?
Why? How am I
Because you're going too fast, dude.
I'm going speed limit.
Speed limit, yeah, 80 miles per hour.
No, I'm not. My head kind of hurts now because I haven't eaten since.
My head.
Your head always hurts because, guys, he has to eat all. What the heck? What happened?
I don't know.
What did you do? You did something to my car, huh?
Nobody. Just put it in the garage. Oh, lag out here.
Oh my god!
Did you open the garage?
Guys, this thing is driving me nuts.
So you gonna go on and check or what?
Well, yeah.
Why?
Because I'm tired of people.
Team.
What the heck?
Oh!
Guys, look what he put. Look, show them. This is why. It's just like that. This is why when we went to Walmart, he didn't let me see the back of the car.
Look at guys. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, Team Mando. Team.
This is why, well, since we left the driveway, he kept recording, acting like the camera out the window.
No, I was just one of
And then he didn't let me go in the back of the car when we got to Walmart.
How did you like it? Woo! Oh! So guys, smash that like button to those who are Team Mando. We got her back, guys.
Why? Because I...
Yeah, because you got me back.
How's it going, guys?
So guys,
don't forget to
subscribe,
like,
and post your notifications on for
new videos.
Videos, guys, and smash that like button. Even if it's twice, right now we got money. That's crazy. A lot of people were like,
I thought I was like crossing lines or something.